let's back it out to the left here. And signal left because you want your back end to go to the left, and you're going to be steering to the left. So signal left, and you're going to be steering to the left because you're going to go out that way. Out that way.
Oh, steering.
Yeah. You want to come out in a straight line first though. Get your whole car out of the space before you turn your wheels. Turn them straight. Straighten the wheels out. Okay. Continue. No, keep the wheels straight. You want to get your front bumper past his back bumper here before you turn. Continue. There. Now you can. Okay. So it's starting to get a little busier here now.
Straight.
Yeah, out to the roadway. And we're going to turn left at the lights here again. Good space you got here in front of you. So the first round that we just did here, a lot of that you were going just too slow, like just a little bit under the speed limit. On the highway, you were going, sometimes you're going 60. You want to get your speed up to 80 when it's possible. So we're going to do the same thing except faster. You should be able to get back here in 15 minutes or less. So 33, 43, so 48, 9:48. You should be back here by 9:48. There's a challenge for you.